back to Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some New England clam chowder. One of my favorite soups, New England clam chowder. For this, you're going to use 3 cans of clams with the juice. You don't need the juice, so don't throw the juice away. Don't drain it. You're going to need 2 potatoes. I have boiling on the stove right now. You're going to use about a cup of heavy cream, some parsley, thyme, garlic, 2 celery stalks, 1 medium onion, a 1/4 of a cup of flour, some lemon juice, and some capers. Shelly's house seasoning. You know we can't do anything in here without some Shelly's house seasoning. Alright, guys, so since everything is all chopped up for us, let's move over to the stove. So I got a tablespoon and a half down of olive oil. Now going in with some butter. I'm going in with about a tablespoon of butter. I'm going in with my onions and celery. I'm going in with my capers. And this is just a teaspoon of capers chopped. And we're going to get them down in here with our onions and so to cook down some of that brininess from the capers. Alright. That cooked. Now we're going to hit it with some Shelly's house seasoning. It's really seasoned up. I'll go in with some thyme. I'm going to put in about half a tablespoon of thyme. Same with the parsley. Now on a cold, rainy day like this, I'm telling you, this clam chowder will do, honey. And this is a quick one. Now, if you wanted to use fresh clams, you can. If you wanted to use the jar, you can. But I like the can because it's already chopped for me. And the juice that comes from them has so much flavor. It's packed with so much flavor so I don't even need to use that the jar of clam juice, because the juice from the clams that's in here has much more flavor than the actual jar that you buy for all of that money. And the juice from that clam, because the clam itself has already been sitting in that juice. So that's what we want. So I'm gonna go in with my potatoes. You know, I blanched them. They're not all the way cooked because they're gonna finish cooking. They're going to finish cooking in the pan. Oh, it smells. It's so fragrant in here. Smells absolutely delicious. Got those potatoes, the capers, the thyme, the parsley down. Smells amazing. So now we're going to go in with some flour. So what we want to do now is cook some of that flour taste out. So we're going to mix this all around in here. Now that we did all of that, what we're going to do now is add some more Shelly's house seasoning. Because we want to flavor in at every step. It's going to be amazing. Doesn't take long to make this soup. Absolutely delicious. Alright. Now we're going in with some clam juice. All 3 cans. Just dump it right in there. Because you want the flavor of that clam in there. to be amazing. And you just keep stirring it down. Now, it looks amazing, smells amazing. You know, when you go buy the can of clam chowder, it doesn't really have great flavor. Yeah, that's why. Alright, so let's go in with a little lemon juice. Now, lemon juice wakes up that clam. All those flavors. Because the clam is the last thing we're going to add to this, because we don't want to the clam is already cooked, so we don't want to overcook it. So we're going to put it in last just to heat it up. Already thickened, look at that. That's amazing. I'm going in now with some heavy cream. About a cup heavy cream. Now that doesn't look like a delicious thing of clam chowder. Better than the can, honey. New England clam chowder. One of my favorite soups. Alright, so we're going to let this cook up for a little while. Let all those wonderful flavors meld together. And it turn into a nice thick chowder. Look at this. Amazing. And I'm going to be right back to show you guys what to do next. Alright, so I went in and almost forgot to get my garlic in there. Alright, I'm going my garlic in there. And we're going to let it cook a little longer, because I'm going to just add a little more Shelly's house seasoning, as I can. And I'm not adding much at one time. I'm sprinkling it a little as I go along, just for flavor. But the garlic was supposed to go in with the veggies. I didn't do that. It's okay. It's fine. Still gonna be good. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a taste. Almost. This thing is perfect. Absolutely perfect. You wanna let it cook up some more? When we come back, I'm gonna show you what to do next. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add those clams. Guys. And I want to get all of it out. Remember to add those clams last. Make it the last thing you do before you plate up your food. Because all we want to do is heat those clams to burn. You don't want to overcook them, then they be chewy and nasty. Not what we want. But they already done in the can. And three cans is plenty for this recipe. It's going to be all through. Amazing. Alright guys, meet me at the counter. We're going to plate this baby up. And we just going to taste it together, guys. Alright guys, so we're back. The final results of this beautiful clam chowder. Absolutely wonderful. Give it a taste. This is absolutely delicious. Celery, the onion, the potato, those clams. And that hint of lemon juice You can taste it in the background. Absolutely delicious. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified every time Shelly go in this kitchen and make these delicious meals. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. Everyone else, I love you guys. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.